You won't believe where we are. This is the restroom in the Billy Graham Museum. We all fell in love with this funny little Sphinx. It's fabulous. There's Miss Janice doing her thing. It's all done up. This is Billy. There's the plus. Look at that. Isn't that cool little stalls? What? Come get the trash cans. Okay, Janice. This is all the same cedar wood that we had in our house. All exactly the same. And here we come out. And here's the museum. We're going to be... Yeah? Who? Melvin. That's Melvin. Oh, I gotta get a picture. That's his name. It was Melvin. This is Melvin that Janice pointed out, and this is the man that we bought our hay from when we first got here. This is Billy Graham's brother, Melvin. I'll be darned. Look at that. There's Billy. There you go. That's not a real cow, is it?
It's Bessie the talking cat.
Oh, Bessie the talking cat. Look at this thing. I thought it was real, and I was really upset because it was in this little old pasture here.
We're going to go and listen to her.
Okay. Here's Bessie. Look at that cow. Isn't that cool? The vaca. The vaca. Look at that thing. That is so lifelike. I want one of those in our house. And there's the gato. I don't think that one's real either.
You got a mechanical cat over here.
There's a mechanical cat.
Look at all the little tails going in the barn.
Fantastic. They're all of them in the barn. This place is so great. There's Billy and... Oh, this is so cool.